What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, this is PNWRC Madness, and we got the XmaXX here today. Not only is this just the typical AS XmaXX, guys, check out these big old monstrous tires. These are the monster claws. Anyways, guys, we're going to go ahead and get this TP motor out of here and hook up a belt drive. And it's going to be about a 3.1 to 1 ratio, I believe. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get this out. I'll show you how simple it is, and then we'll go ahead out, get it in the dirt. And I have a lot of people that, you know, they are really not believing in the belt drive, so I just wanted to get this in the dirt, go jump it a few times with these big old huge monstrous tires, and just prove to you guys that the belt drive holds up nice. The belt drive is a lot quieter than these gears. Oh, I took that out of there. Haha. And a lot cheaper. So you can find these on my website, actually at www.pnwrcmadness.com. So let's go ahead and start wrenching, guys, and get it out of there. Here we go, guys. Nice and cool. What up, guys? She's not even hot at all. There we go, guys. Well, there it is. You guys seen it for yourself. We got the 2030. Nothing got warm. The motor didn't even get warm. Not at all. Nothing at all. I believe this is like a 2.7 to 1 gear ratio. So with this 1460 kV motor, it didn't do too bad. Perfect setup. As you can find these on my website also. For most of your motors are going to run like a 2530 or even a 2525 for like 800 kV, 1100 kV Castle motors. You're going to be safe with that gear ratio with quite a few of those bigger, lower kV motors. So anyways, I'm just going to end the video right now, guys. So yeah, you can find these motor mounts as well. But thanks for watching the video, and do stay tuned for more. I'm going to do a little bit more modifications on the truck. I think I'm going to update the shock bodies. So yeah, stay tuned for that, guys, and I will catch you guys later. Oh yeah. Please do subscribe too, guys. Definitely means a lot. These videos aren't free. I make them alone. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Oh, but Cal RC. Shout out to those guys. Heath. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, guys. Whoosh.